Hey, good morning everyone, Roger the Real Deal Guy here. How are we? Are we well? Look, it's going to be another stunning day here at Holiday Resort Unity, and for those of you who don't know, Holiday Resort Unity is literally 15 minutes from the M5 and you get to come here and have your own little piece of heaven. So today's video, yes, it's another real deal because I've found you another amazing holiday home to show you guys round. But look at it behind me. It's just stunning here, isn't it? Now, what more could we possibly want? I know what we want. We want an amazing holiday home, which is the one right behind me. We're going to go and have a look at a Swift Burgundy, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. It is absolutely immaculate, and I really am looking forward to showing you through it. Right, let's go and have a little look. Wow, the first thing you're hit with is the amount of natural light that floods into this holiday home. I suppose with all the windows, because you've got side aspects, the great big front windows, it just makes this feel so light and airy. Then you've got this magnificent corner couch. How many people could sit on that? Do you know what? You can have a football team in here and you'll still feel comfortable. Position for TV, feature fireplace, great dining area. Again, loads of space. And then into this magnificent kitchen. Integrated microwave, your fridge freezer, your cooker. But look at the storage, prep space. It's ideal. I mean, this is an ideal holiday home for those that like entertaining, family, friends. It really does tick an awful lot of boxes. And this is just the living area. Let's go and have a look through now at the bedrooms. If you come down the corridor, first door on the left is your twin. Different design, but works really well. Different layouts. It gives you some more space. Great above bed storage on both. Wardrobe, drawers. But again, great storage. Fantastic use of space, but really well finished. It's a lovely holiday home. Then down into the main bathroom. Great size shower, sink, WC, and then some storage above. And then down into the master. Yeah, look at this. Great room again. Above bed storage. Built-in bedsides. Then you've got your little dressing area. Great wardrobe, with the fantastic added feature of the ensuite WC and sink. This is a fabulous holiday home, but you can say it's one of Swift's best because it is finished really well. Luxury finish, but it's just lovely. And say laminate floor all the way through the main area, so it's easy to keep clean, and obviously carpet then in the lounge. But back into the living area, it's just lovely. But as you can see, look at the light flood through. So this is the fabulous Swift Burgundy, 35 foot long, 12 foot wide, 2-bedroom model. Fabulous master bedroom with a great storage and the ensuite WC. The twin room with the versatility of how the beds are set out, which gives great amounts of space and lovely storage. The fabulous main bathroom, loads of room in there again. And then into this spectacular living, dining, kitchen area. So social. Great amounts of seating area, really is versatile and can be used however you want. Now, if you want to find out more about this holiday home or any other holiday homes, because I don't know if I've mentioned, but holiday homes here at Holiday Resort Unity start from as little as £19,995. All you've got to do is pick up the phone and give me a call, 07493 098 497. Say, Rog, can you just give me some assistance on holiday home ownership because I'm at early stages, or Rog, I'm an owner here at Holiday Resort Unity, I want to look at upgrade options. I am here to assist you to make an easy transition for you, because I want to make this easy so you get to really come, love and enjoy your holiday home here at Holiday Resort Unity. And as I said, we're literally 15 minutes from the M5. So pick up the phone, give me a call, drop me a text, say, can you assist? If you don't want to do that, you can email me, roger.shaw@hru.co.uk. Again, I can answer all your questions you may have, and I'd love to invite you down to come and have a look at our fabulous park and basically our magnificent holiday homes. So for now, please enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, I almost forgot. Oh, silly me. Real Deal. Don't forget Roger the Real Deal Guy on YouTube. Woo! Follow me. Watch my videos. You get to see a range of holiday homes and different aspects of holiday home ownership. But for now, enjoy the rest of your day. God, I almost forgot that. How can I forget that? And don't forget, people, it's not a deal. It's because it's a real deal. And I'll see you soon.